If you've ever tried telling a story with AI generated visuals, then you know the pain. Your character looks perfect in one image, then becomes an entirely different person in the next. Let me show you how to lock your character's identity and create stunning visuals across multiple scenes using ChatGPT and Dzine AI. Now this is quite easy to do, and I can guarantee you that it will solve 99.9% of your consistent AI characters problem. Let's get right in.
Oga AI.
So before we get right into today's video, if you're new to the channel or you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed yet, please do well to smash on that red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And feel free to leave questions in the comment section below if you have any. And do not forget to give this video a like and a share as we go along the way. So we'll be using two AI tools to do this, and that's Dzine AI and ChatGPT. Now ordinarily these two tools can help you create consistent characters on their own, but the longer you create more pictures or more images with this tool, the more inconsistent they become. That's the problem. Okay, Dzine AI has this character tool here that helps you build a character. Okay, so this sort of lets you create consistent characters. When you first try it, it will look like it works. Okay, and it is going to give you some level of consistency across different scenes, which is quite good. But the issue I have with Dzine AI is there are some specific images that it is going to perform very poorly with. Even if the characters do look alike, you would see a lot of mistakes in those particular scenes or in those particular pictures. Okay, that's one thing I do not like about Dzine AI. Okay, but aside from that, it's a pretty good tool. Okay, the same goes with ChatGPT. It is obviously going to help you create the images, but as it continues to create more images, you begin to see differences in the facial features of these images, or something that I would use to pick it over any other AI image generation tool out there is that ChatGPT pays attention to details. Okay, so it may not give you consistent facial feature that you're looking for, but it is going to pay details. It's going to pay attention to details of your image. Okay, especially when it comes to text, and that's one thing I really like about it. Enough of the chit chat and let's get down to business. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to use this image, all right, and I have uploaded it on ChatGPT. So what I want ChatGPT to do for me first is to upload or create different images. That's different different images of this same person in across different scenes. Okay, so this is the image I uploaded here, and I told you that I wanted to create multiple images as usual across different scenes, and we will call this guy John. So I asked him if he understood, and it said yes. Okay, and this is the rest of the stuff that I got. So for the next image, I told it to create an image of John in the beach. Pick a suitable beach outfit, aspect ratio 16:9. Now you can see this image of John that it created here and the one that I uploaded. Okay, you could say that John was not smiling here and it is smiling here, but you can see visible differences between these two images. Okay, so I went further again to tell it to create another one of John on the streets, pick a formal outfit and all that. Okay, and again you can see it tried to keep the facial features of John consistent, but you can still see that they have slight differences. Okay, all right, so this is the second image of John in a very formal outfit walking on the streets. Okay, then I told you to create another image of John seated in his office, pick a formal outfit, and John should have a serious face. And as you can also see as well, John is having a different face from all the other images. Okay, this one is even very clear, very visible that his facial features have changed. All right, then for the third and final image, I told you to create a full body image of John seated in a classroom, pick a semi-formal outfit, and should have a surprised face. And this is what it gave to us. And as you can also see as well, John's face is different from the other images. All right, so here's what we can do. So what I did was to download all these images. Okay, and we are going to head over to Dzine AI to do what we call a face swap. Yeah, So Dzine AI, like I said, it is a very resourceful tool. It may not exactly give you the image that you want, but it can help you manipulate the hell out of that image. Okay, and it is really cool. Okay, I'll leave links to it in the description box below anyways if you'd want to check it out. Okay, so what we can do with Dzine AI, like I said, is to do a face swap. But before that, we'd have to upload the image of John that I want to do the face swap for. So I'm going to click here. So I have uploaded the image of John that I want to do the face swap for. So I'm going to come here to face kit, and you see face swap here. So I'll click on it, upload the face that I want to be here. Okay, the face that I want to swap for the one on our canvas here. Okay, so this is the face of John, current face of John, and this is the one that I want. Okay, so you're just simply going to hit on generate and it will, do its thing. So this is going to cost us 4 credits. So let's hit on generate and see what comes out of this. All right, so Dzine AI has generated 4 different images for us to see which one best describes, or which one best looks like our original John's image. So this is the first one here. This doesn't look bad. This is the second one here, the third and fourth one. Which one do you think looks like John? Okay, I think I'll pick this. All right, and place it on the canvas here. So this is John here and this is John here. So I think they look very alike. Now you can do other stuff you want to do with this tool. Now you can come down here to enhance this image. You just simply need to click on it, then come in here to portrait. This is the one that works best, and click on standard. Then you enhance your image and it's going to come out very sharp. Okay, you can also choose to leave it like this and download it. So when you're downloading, you can upscale it. Okay, so upscale 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times, and it is going to come out pretty sharp. So this is for the first image. Now there are a bunch of things you can do with this tool. Like I said, you could make a video, you could animate it. They have a bunch of other tools, other AI image generator tools that you could use to animate your image. You could let's take this back. You could make it smile more, you could make it not smile at all, you could do a face repair if there's any deformity on the image. You could also insert an object, you could change the color, a lot of stuff that you can do. If you want a detailed review of Dzine AI, just let me know in the comment section below and I will make a video with respect to that. All right, so let's take this off and try out the second image, but let's just download this. So this is the second image of John. So I would come here to face kit again, repeat the same process. The image is already here, so we detect faces and it should detect this guy. So let's generate 4 extra credits. So again, Dzine AI has generated 4 different images of John. So which of them do you think looks like John? I think this one does, right? So I'm going to click on this on the canvas and I would download this. Okay, it's as easy as that. So you repeat this for all your images. So we are done with generating all our images and we are going to do a compare and contrast kind of situation. So on this side we have the 4 new images of John, and let me know what you think. Do they look alike? On this other side we have the old 4 images of John. So let me know what you think. Did these 2 combination of tools do good job in creating consistent images of John across these 4 different scenes? All right, if they did, let me know in the comment section below. But basically that's how this is done, or this is what I use most times to create consistent characters for my videos, and it works all the time. So let me know what you think about all of this in the comment section below, because we have come to the end of today's video. And if you have gotten any value so far, please like, share, leave questions in the comment section below if you have any, and more importantly, smash on that red subscribe button and the bell notification icon. So till I see you again in my next video, thank you for watching. God bless you and peace out.